In this video, we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on Tilray, ticker TLRY. Now, we did get some, if you go and check out the last analysis video on this, we did get a nice trade opportunity on this. We did say about 510 will be that peak. It was its second deviation on the 6-month chart, and again, played out basically perfectly. And again, this is why we say we trade the pullback, because we play the pullback. Cool, we made about 20-25 cents on the trade. You move your stop to break even. So no matter what, even if it goes to retest that level, you get out of the trade break even. And again, ideally you lock in some profits here just so it never turns into a losing trade. So that's how we look to trade it. Then we got our stop at break even. We look to hold the rest for direction. Reason for that is, again, this is a high probability reversal location. So we hold it, hold it, hold it. We're coming closer to that statistical mean. Again, locking in profits along the way with a final target at 285. So if you're holding it short now, final target 285 is what we're paying attention to. But going on to longer term, what are we paying attention to, both sides and going forward? So again, if we continue to fall, we're trading to the 285, not something I would look to trade off of, because again, that's fair value, statistical mean. At fair value, again, it's a lot more of a gamble what direction it will go past this level, but coming back to this level is a high probability, because again, fair value, you expect stocks to temporarily reverse to their fair value, and then again, they'll move either direction. So that's where we look to trade to, but not off of. If we end up breaking through those though, then the trading opportunities will come at 171, $1.10, 60 cents as key supports. Again, each one of these will provide a good trading opportunity, and basically look for what we did on this. Trade the pullback on the first touch of it, or kind of a bounce on the first touch. Once we're up, 10-20 cents on the trade, move our stop to break even, lock in some profits, and again, look to hold the rest to play direction if it can. Now on to the other side, if it starts pushing up, we do have resistance at $4. This would only be a day trade to me. I'd be in and out if I'm trading this, because we have kind of quickly and kind of recently touched this level. So again, this is a zone, definitely a good day trading opportunity, but definitely not something I'd be looking to swing. Now, if we break this again, then we go back to that same resistance at 510. Again, because we recently hit that, we're looking for maybe a smaller size swing, or just a day trade on that level, because we would still expect some sort of a day trading opportunity on that. Now, if we end up breaking that, new trade opportunities will come back to full size, maybe potential swings coming in at the 560, 625, going on to 710, and final levels at 740 and 860. So that is the breakdown on Tilray. Again, do you need to pay attention to all of these levels? No, you just pay attention to where you are now, 350, so we're paying attention to the 285 and the $4. Again, you can look to play either direction, and the reason I provide both support and resistances is so that if I have a bias, it doesn't affect you as a viewer. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.